Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate Team. We're at 1093 Frei Street in Cobourg. This luxury 4-bedroom, 4-bath home is situated in a great area, within walking distance to the golf course, a short drive to the waterfront and the 401. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the grand foyer, adjacent to the living room and the formal dining room. You will love the renovated eat-in kitchen with a walkout to the private deck. There's a family room with a gas fireplace and a walkout. The main level also has an office, a 2-piece bath, and a laundry room. The dreamy primary bedroom is massive with a 5-piece ensuite with heated floors and an extra large walk-in closet. The upper level has 3 additional good-sized bedrooms and a 4-piece bath. The basement area has 2 recreational rooms, a 3-piece bath, and a second office currently being used as a bedroom. Even the garage has custom features with polyaspartic coating on the floor. The backyard has 2 custom decks and a lot of mature trees.